Hey guys, Lane Morgan here. Just another day at Renown Cargo Trailers, your highest volume trailer dealer in the United States of America. We've got Mr. Angelo picking up right here. Just want to give you a little behind the scenes tour. Angelo is from Houston, Texas. He's got a thriving landscaping business. He's also got a tamales business, but he's buying multiple trailers, and you also can see that he did his with a yellow and a blackout package. So he's popping going down the road. Guys, if you can dream it, we can build it here at Renown. But right here, I'm about to show you this amazing 8.5 by 20. This is what we call a equipment trailer, guys. Has a 8-inch mainframe on it, I-beam mainframe. We've got 7K tandem axles on this guy. Guys, brakes on both axles. You got a 16-inch wheel. But what I love about it, you know, these are, we don't cut corners at Renown Cargo Trailers. One, we're going to give you a good tire. You got a 14-ply tire with us. Also, we've got an integrated toolbox. You know, very cool toolbox. Pops up with a gas shock. Here's your 7-way plug, of course. Then we've got a plenty of jack, man. 12,000 pound, you know, heavy duty jack. We use a ram coupler right here, adjustable coupler. But one thing, this is a non-corrosion paint that we use, you know, true undercoating on the paint. Right here, we've got a spot for your spare tire mount. We've got some D-rings right here so you can strap down your equipment or your load. We've also got some pockets right here that you can use to strap down whatever you need to on the side rail. So the difference between these two trailers, obviously, this is an open car hauler. This one has 5,200 pound axles on it. So you've got a payload of right around 8,000 pounds with this one. This one's got 7,000 tandem pound axles. So this one, you've got a payload of around 8,000 pounds. This one right here, you've got a payload of around 12,000 pounds. But an open car hauler, equipment trailer, fold down ramps, mega ramps. It just depends on what you're hauling. Heavy duty fenders, guys, step right here that you can step on. Then also you've got another D-ring right here. So plenty of places to be able to tie down. But the one thing that I love about this trailer, and we are the only ones in Douglas, Georgia that have these actual mega ramps. This is what you call mega ramps. So this trailer right here, you can, it has a payload of around 12,000 pounds on this one. I do build them with tandem 8K axles as well. We've got some coming in. We've got some in black, got some in gray. They're all coming off this week. They should be on our the grounds of our dealership by the mid next week. But we've got them in 20, 22, 24 foot. But these are equipment trailers, guys. Mega heavy duty ramps. See how easy that goes down? Boom. But, you know, there's a difference. Let me just show you the difference. These are just fold down ramps. You can tell the difference. See how those are constructively built? They are built to handle some weight. This one right here, again, like I said, you've got a 12,000 pound payload on this trailer. It's 20 foot long. We've got them coming with 8K axles, and you'll have right at a 14,000 pound payload on that. So you can put some heavy equipment on here. Big tractors, you know, definitely skid steers, front end loaders, whatever you need, it will haul the weight. This is an open car hauler trailer. Has your fold down ramps in the back. This trailer right here, you can pull away with for $54.99. $54.99. Built 16 on cinder up under the floor. 6-inch mainframe. Got your adjustable coupler on the front of it as well, with a drop leg jack right here. 10K drop leg jack. Brakes on both axles. Spare tire mount. $54.99. This one right here, it's got your integrated toolbox, adjustable coupler, 20 foot long equipment trailer, Tandem 7K axles, brakes on both axles, super heavy duty mega ramps in the back, $77.99, guys. Our trailers, we don't build economy line trailers. They're built right from the beginning. You're not gonna have any issues. If you did, we do have a warranty on these trailers, and it's a nationwide warranty. So you don't have to come back to Douglas, Georgia if something goes wrong. But look how good that looks, man. That is a good looking equipment trailer. 20-foot long, super heavy duty mega ramps. Guys, if you're interested in an open trailer like this, you can give us a call. I've got 13 amazing sales reps that'll answer any questions that you have. If you want to customize it, we can do that as well. But y'all give us a call at 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We've always said, if you can dream it, we can build it, guys. So we look forward to earning your business next. Hope everybody stays blessed. And I want to tell you one thing before I jump off this video. I want you to know that God loves you. He's called us to be the salt of the earth and the light of the world. Well, what does salt of the earth mean? You know, salt preserves, salt heals infection wounds. Salt brings sweetness to things, brings out the flavor in things, makes it sweeter. So I just want you to ask yourself, are you being the salt and the light of the earth? Are you bringing sweetness into people's lives? Are you healing them with your words? Guys, I just encourage us all to be better people, and there's a lot of people out there hurting and struggling right now, and it doesn't take a lot to smile at someone and be kind. So guys, I just encourage you and myself to look for people and find that need and meet that need, guys. Thanks for watching our videos. God loves you. We love you. We look forward to seeing you soon. Stay humble, hustle hard. Y'all know the rest. Until then, y'all be blessed.